Solve for x in each of the following. It's question 1. So let's do the solutions. That's Lana question yokuqala 1.1.1. So these are the solutions. So enter. So 1.1.1 sinikeza x squared minus x minus 12 is equals to 0. So we need to factorize. So this can be factorized. We will see x, factors x squared, it's x times x. Factors are 12, and that's more times and negative 12. Uma minus and the sign it like constant. And negative 1. So it's 4 times 3. Then in number equal places the 30 sign make it same, which means 4. Then no negative sign umsholo signs enizowafaka awafani. Sengiyazi clear yokuqala ukuthi it's negative futhi landela must be positive. Futhi x minus 4 ulingana no0 noma x plus 3 ulingana no0. So kusho ukuthi x ulingana no4 or x alingana no minus 3. Send the solution elandelayo 1.1.2. A, we given 2x squared minus 5x minus 11 is equals to 0. So remember, in this case, 1.1.1, if you don't know how to factorize, you can use the quadratic formula. Or you can just use your calculator, you just press mod. If you've got this kind of calculator ratio, press 5 for equations. Then we've got a quadratic x squared plus x plus c as a constant value, that's 3. Then a work is value like coefficient of x squared 1, equal sign, coefficient of b it's negative 1. Then c work negative 12. Then it will just give you straight some final answers. Go to x okala 4 ulandela negative 3. Okay. Now in this case, A, we are required to solve for x. So length and is a factorizer. So I have to use a quadratic formula. There is no other way. So if you say this quadratic formula, ngiyazi ukuthi u-a1 u2, u-b1 u-negative 5, then u-c u-negative 11. The Newton formula is x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. Let's send the substitution. If you look at a, la khona ngifaka 2 kanjalo nak b, so b1 negative 5 plus or minus square root of negative 5 all squared minus 4 a wakho o2, and then if you look at c, it's negative 11 all divided by if you look at a, which is 2 into 2. Then put straight into the calculator njengoba injalo. You will have negative into negative 5 plus square root of into negative 5 all squared minus 4 u-a wakho u2 c wakho u-minus 11 faka nje bakunjalo, and then 2 into 2. Then your first answer for x wakho u5 plus square root of 113 over 4. So your value of x it's 5 plus root 113 over 4. Or noma ufaka minus ngapha futhi still uzothola into efanayo kade izoba no minus lapha. So x wakho uzoba 5 minus 113 over 4. So ibhale le number in decimal format, and bathe leave your answer into 2 decimal. So the answer la ukala it's minus 1,41. So I've got x minus 1,41, and then liya sekuqaleni ibifana no 3,91. So I've got 3,91, as the value of x. So if you've got this calculator, you can use it as a guide. Uvela press mode, press 5 for my equations again, press 3. Izokunikeza lezi answers. So if you look at a u2, if you look at b negative 5, if you look at c negative 11. So press equal sign. Actually you can the answer 5 plus root 13 over 4. And then this is 3,91. Now sitholile, so write it. Press equal sign again. Now let's sitholile, which is same as minus 1, comma. Now equation ilandelayo sibheke we have b. It's 2x squared 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 11x is equals to 0. So equation ilandelayo b. Just choose a different color now. So b wakho ukuthi 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 11x is equals to 0. We are required to solve for x. Now, you call a lot of terms of work, but the common factor of x, and you keep a ngaphandle, langisela no 2x squared minus 5x minus 11. Yonke le nto besilingana nobani no 0. Vele la ngaphezulu kade siyenze equation ifanayo nale ka 2x squared minus 5x minus 11. Le nto ifana ncamashi nale nto 2x squared minus 5x minus 11. And we do have ama solutions akhona. So there is no need now ukuthi work out uphinde ufake lokho quadratic formula. Wento kumele uyenze ukuthi it's either lo x uzokunikeza 0 noma usuyayazi x value yokuqala. So x is either uzoba 3,91 or omunye x wakho sitho uzoba minus 1,41. So you've got 3 values manje x. Ilokho nje kuphela bakufunayo. So equation ebisilandela ithi 1.1.3 minus we require to solve for x sinikeze inequality la. So in this inequality, so got 1.1.3 but minus 3 into x plus 7 into x minus 5 is less than 0, not or equals to. So in this case, ongakwenza you can divide with negative 3. And remember, if you divide with a negative number, inequality sign yashintsha mayibhekele ibheka. Now, which means x plus 7 into x minus 5. This sign will change backing up. 0 divided by minus 3 is 0. But inequality sign yashintsha. Now, let me say my critical values lower, where goes about x plus 7 is equal to 0, because in terms of critical values, or x minus 5 alingane no 0. Should la x alingane no negative 7, or la x alingane no positive 5. Then I need to put this in a number line. I'm talking about the big graph, it's okay. But in the number line, I've got the minus 7 ngapha, I've got 5 the number line. Because the number is on the left hand side. And I don't have a sign for or equals to, so the big compose alarm, then I get shady. Then I just pick number line, it can be 1, 2, 3, but the tandala, it's to 0 between numbers negative 7 and 5. So 1 for 0 la. Nala of level 7 times negative 5. So positive times negative, answer is over negative. So answer is negative. If the negative showcase will be positive, because of landela. Now, first thing I found that ilo kunji expression ilo inequality yam. So I want the must be greater than 0. You go play greater connect 0 in nangala. And now be careful. Ungayifundi like suka khona. We find the laws we simplify a con. Okay. Now, usuyazi ukuthi x bathi u5 la ubani u-minus 7. But x kumele kule number ezingaphezulu kwa5. Moya kuyi number positive ngala u-x wakho kumele umkhamisele. Moya usuka la ku-negative 7 yakuyinamba eyi-negative, u-x wakho kumele umbhekisele because lezo iy'namba zincane kuno-negative 7. So le y'namba zinkulu kuno-5, so u-x wami ingakho emkhulu kuno-5. Isho njalo le nto. Or abanye bayibhala ngokuhlukana uthi u-x must be greater than 5 or u-x wakho aphinde abe less than negative 7. Or you can write it as a ELO, uthi as a restriction as well, also x must be an element from negative infinity up to negative 7. Union, phinde futhi kube ubani asuke ku-5 aye ku-positive infinity. So ungayibhala nakanje kulungile. And then question ebisilandela eyokusolve simultaneously u-x no y. So to solve simultaneously u-x no y, I'm given y, write with a right pen, y plus 2 is equal to x. I will say as the first equation, and the second equation, it's same as is given by y is equal to x squared minus x minus 10. How the right is ukuthi equation yesibili. Then bese ubhalile ukuthi equation yokuqala le nale yesibili. Buka kule equation yokuqala ilula kunale equation yesibili ngoba le yesibili degree yakhona u2, which means quadratic, kanti le linear. And on this equation you are told ukuthi u-x ulingana exactly no y plus. Then esikhundleni sika-x equation yesibili ngizofaka le. So I will do a substitution kwi-equation yesibili ngale equation yokuqala. Lapho x elingana nalokhu ngifaka lokho. So it's lento y is equal to lakhona khona x ngifaka y plus 2 all squared minus into y plus 2 minus 10. So esikhundleni sika-x ngifake ukuthi y plus 2. Okay. And then let's proceed. Then expand la no y, is over no y squared, plus 4y, plus 4, minus y, minus 2, minus 10. Then transpose y to the right hand side, therefore you remain with 2y squared. Then 4y minus y, uzofana no 3y, let's ngapha lo, uzoba minus with the total 2y. So you've got positive 2y, and then minus 2 minus 10 will give you minus 12 equals to 0. So now, move here la. And then move here, I'm going to factorize. Sorry, I made a mistake la. Because like 8 to 4. Because minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8. Yeah. Then we can factorize this. Equals to 0. So I'm having y. Now y, my factors and the more times and 8 minus 2, 4 times 2. So I'm assigned number goes at the centimeter term, and our found now minus. So y is equal to minus 4. Or y is only a positive 2. Now to find the value of x, I need to do substitution in the equation of y. So equation of y is y. Y is minus 4 plus 2 is equal to x. Then therefore minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Or I will say 2 plus 2 equals to x. Then therefore x wakubani 4. So then your solution set it remains if x. So your solution set it remains if x or negative 2 y minus 4. If x is 4, y is positive. Then the last question, 1.3, but to simplify the following expression, eating, it's 1.3. It's 3 to power 2015 plus 3 to the power 2013 all divided by 9 to the power 1006. So here, mothatha ubhela yabona ibase ka-3 nebase ka-3 you can express u9 as ibase ka-3 as well. So lo ngizombuyisela nje benjalo 3 to the power 2015 plus nalo ngibuyisela nje benjalo 3 to the power 2013. So u9 uyafana no3 to the power 2 times 1006. Then u3 to the power 2015 plus 3 to the power 2013 will be now divided by 3 to the power 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 0 times 0, 0, 0, 2 times 16, 12. Then at 1 la, 12. So I've got 2012. Now, simplified further, in number nothing knows one can be exponent to 2012. So I can express like 2012 now like 2012. So this is 3 to the power 2012 times 3 funa ama-base enze njani afana ukuze ngizo-add ama-exponent. So uma ngisuka ku-2012 ngiya ku-2015 ngi-add iminyaka emingaki emithathu. Nala ngokunjalo ngino-2012 no-3 to the power 2012 times 3 ngisuka ku-2012 ngiya ku-2013 kumele ngi-add iminyaka owodwa. All divided by la vele ngino-3 to the power 2012. Keep a common factor la kwi-numerator 3 to the power 2012 la kuzosala u3 to the power 3 plus la kusala bani u3 la ngezansi vele ngino-3 to the power 2012. Then lo 3 to the power 2012 bayakhanselana sengisala mina nomba dividana no-3 to the power 3. Then u3 to the power 3 uyafana nobani no-27. So I've got u3 to the power 3 which is 27 plus 3 ozokunikeza bani u-30 as your final answer.
This podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.